How to add products to Bigcommerce. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our browser and go to bigcommerce.com. Once you're routed to the page, simply sign into your Bigcommerce account. So as you can see, we're actually in our home page right here. So in your home page, you can actually see start accepting orders, and there you can see add products. So click on it. Now, you can actually add products through that way. Another option that you have is here in the left-hand panel, you can see products, and in here you can see add. So when you add a product, you can actually see this um, platform right here. So in this section, you can actually see product information first. Now, the first thing that you're going to do is to simply input your basic information or the basic information of your product. So put your product name, SKU, the product type, whether it's physical or digital product, the default price, and the brand. So whether it's Saga Form, OFS, or a common good. Okay. So there. Now, next is that here under categories, you can actually select which category that belongs to, whether it's in the bath, garden, kitchen, publications, utilities, or you could simply add a category when it's not there. So for instance, if it's a digital product, I'm going to put digital. And there we have added a category. Now, next one that we have right here is the description. So for the description, you just need to have a very brief description of the product. Here in the images section, you just need to input the image or videos of the product. So you can add it from URL or upload images. There are two options that you can make use of. Now, the next part is your files section. So you can actually upload files that shoppers can download after purchasing the product. Especially if this is a digital product, you can actually do that one and upload your file. Okay. Now, next that we have right here is our product identifiers. For product identifiers, basically this is applicable for physical goods, not really for digital goods. Now, you just need to input your SKU, manufacturer part number, global trade item number, product UPC or EAN, and bin picking number. All right. So again, this is not applicable for digital, but for the physical products. Here in the pricing section, you can actually see the default price or input your default price. And under tax class, you can actually choose which one you would like to make use of, whether it's a non-taxable product, shipping, or gift wrapping. Now here in the inventory, if you want to track your inventory right here, you can actually tick on the box and simply that will be added, or you can actually track your inventory. So here we have two options, whether you want to have it on the product level or on the variant level. Now here for stocks, you just need to input the number of stocks that you have. Under product options, you can actually create product variations and customizations right here. So first we have our variation section. So you can add variant options like size and color to create variants for this product. What you're going to do if you do have different kinds of products, you can actually click on this plus button and then add a variation. So here you can just simply click on add variation option, and then here in the name, input whether it's the color or size. And then for the type, you can actually have the radio button, swatch, regular list or rectangle list rather, and the drop down. So under values, you just need to enter the value. Okay, and here, if you click on this one, we can actually set this as default as well. After that, you could actually save the variant. If you want to add another variant, just simply follow the process and repeat. Okay, now here, next part that we have right here is the customizations option. So here you could add modifier options like a text box, checks box, or file upload to enable further product customization. So for the modifier option, all you need to do is to click on this button right here, the add modifier option, and in the upper right hand corner, do the same and simply follow the steps that we have right here. So you could include insurance and whatnot. Now for the type, still the same, radio button, rectangle list, or drop down. If you want this field to be required, you can tick on the box here under required and set your default value. If you want to control the number of characters entered, you can actually input the minimum numbers and the maximum number. So for example, 20 texts to 100 texts is the maximum, right? Now, the next one that we have right here is our storefront details. Under storefront details, this is where we set up what customers will see from the storefront or on the storefront. So here is our storefront details, like what are the keywords that we would like to input or that could easily be found in our store. So for instance, digital. All right, there, that's our keyword right there. Now you could also sort your order and add your template layout file by clicking on this drop down right here, but as you can see we don't have a drop down yet. And input your warranty information. This is especially for digital products. You just need to input right there. Now here availability text you just need to input after payment, for example. So available after payment since this is a digital product. So under condition you can actually not only sell new products but even used and refurbished products. So select whether what kind of product it is, and you could also show the condition on your storefront. Okay, now under custom fields, you can actually add custom fields that allow you to specify additional information that will appear on the product page. So custom fields appear automatically in the product details if they are defined on the product. If you don't want to show any custom fields, simply remove them from the product. So you can add that one by clicking on this button right here. So here you just need to input your custom field name and the custom field value. All right, next is for the related products. Basically here, you just need to tick on the box if you want to automatically show related products on your storefront. But if you don't want that one, then you can actually disable that one by unticking the box. The next part is our fulfillment section. Under fulfillment section, we have our purchasability. So this is where we set up shipping and inventory details for the product that we're selling. So under purchasability, you can actually select whether the product can be purchased in your online store, coming soon, but would want to take pre-orders, or you wanna cannot be purchased in your online store. Now you could also input the minimum purchase quantity and the maximum purchase quantity. Now under customs information, this is especially for international shipping. So if you want to calculate custom duties and fees when shipping, you can tick on the box by managing custom information. All right, and just simply input all the necessary information that you would be needing for this one. Okay, so the next part that we have right here is for the SEO and sharing. So the SEO is the search engine optimization. This is to optimize our search engine. And then we just need to input our page title, product URL, and the meta description right here. So this is to specify that the description will appear in the relevant meta. Okay, all right. Now the next section that we have right here is our open graph sharing. I'm just showing you this question mark to show you the details under the product URL, page title, and meta description, basically. Now, under open graph sharing, you can actually choose an object type, whether it's a product, movie, game, food, drink, and whatnot. So just choose on the best category that fits best on your product, and after which you can tick the box if you want to use your product name and use your meta description right there. So for the image, you can use a thumbnail or you can opt not to use an image at all, right? After that, you just need to simply save here in the lower right hand corner, and after which it will be added onto your store. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys find this video helpful.